to your Tuesday maths lesson. Today we are estimating, so quite similar to rounding, but a bit different. So today we are going to recap rounding, recap estimating, and then have a go at some questions. Easy. So we recapped rounding yesterday. We know exactly what it is. If you're not sure, have a look at that video again from yesterday. So what I want you to do now is to pause the video and have a go at rounding this number to the nearest 10, 100 and 1000. Off you go. Okay, welcome back. Let's go through these answers together. So, round to the nearest 10, we are going to circle the tens. Have a look next door. Is that 8 going to go up? Is it going to go down? We all know it's going to go up. So it's going to become a 10. But we can't have all of those digits in that column. So our 1 is going to go across. So 7,688 rounded to the nearest 10 is going to be 7,690. Exciting. Lovely. Rah. Let's have a go now. Rounding to the nearest 100. So let's circle the hundreds column, underline next door. Is that 8 going to go up? Is it going to go down? We know it's going to go up. So this 6 is going to become a 7, and we need those zeros. So the answer is going to be 7,000. Oh, close this Harlot. 7,700. There we go. Okay, and the last one, we're going to round this to the nearest 1,000. So let's circle the thousands column. Let's go for a nice green. Is that 6 going to go up? Is it going to go down? We know it's going to go up. So the answer is going to be 8,000. There we go. Hopefully you got those right. Now let's have a look at this next one. We've got 5,752. Again, you're going to pause the video, round it to the nearest 10, nearest 100, nearest 1,000. Off you go. Okay, let's go through these together, children. So we're rounding to the nearest 10. We are going to circle the tens. Underline next door. Is that 2 going to go up? Is it going to go down? We know it's below 5. It's going to go down. So the answer is going to be 5,750. There we go. Okay, next up, we're going to round this number to the nearest 100. Circle the hundreds, underline next door. Think about that 5. It's 5 or above. It's obviously going to go up. So we know that the answer is going to be 5,800. Lovely job. And the last one, let's round to the nearest 1,000. Circle the 5, underline next door. Is the 7 going to go up? Is it going to go down? We know it's going to go up. So the answer is going to be 6,000. Lovely. So we're going to need these rounding skills when we learn about estimating. So what I'd like you to do now, children, is to pause your video and watch this video, which is going to teach you all about estimating. It's very good. I recommend watching. Off you go. Okay, hopefully you enjoyed that video. I'm going to make you think about this question. When is rounding helpful? So there's lots of times when rounding and estimating are helpful. When is it? So, rounding. Have a look at this little guy. He's probably at a fair. You're going to try and guess how many sweets are in that jar. And he's going to need to estimate to do that. And to estimate, you need rounding. Amazing. Now, I always estimate when I'm going around Tesco's with my trolley. And I like to know roughly how much my shopping is going to cost me. So if I pick up a loaf of bread, which is £1.10, I might just say £1 in my head. If I pick up some fish fingers, which are £2.90, I might round that up to £3. There we go. And then we can add those up in our head much easier than lots and lots of digits going on. So I'm sure you're grown up to do that too. So now, I don't want you to tell me the answer to this question because we're all really good at adding, but I don't care about that today. I want you to estimate the answer to this question. So to do that, we are going to round these numbers to the nearest 1,000. So circle 1,000, underline next door. Have a look at this number. We've got a 9 in the hundreds. That's obviously going to round up, so this is going to round to 8,000. Okay, and here we've got a 1 in the hundreds column. That's obviously going to go down. That's going to be 2,000. There we go. So roughly we can do a nice estimate. So 8,000 add 2,000 is 10,000. There we go. And then we have estimated the answer. Amazing. Okay, so here are some rules. Whoops. Let's just make sure that's okay. If adding 4-digit numbers together, round both numbers to the nearest 100. Then add or subtract, whatever it tells you to do, the rounded numbers together. And with a 3-digit number, you round to the nearest 100. And I guess if you've got a 2-digit number, you round to the nearest 10. Simple. Make sure you compare the answer with the original to see how close your estimate is. So, here we go. There, we've got the same number again. But, so we estimated 10,000, we got that right. The actual answer is 10,115. So actually, that is pretty close, children. Let's have a go at this one now. So, we're going to round this to the nearest 1,000. Circle, underline. Is that 4 going to go up or down? It's going to go down. So this is going to be 5,000, sorry. It's because I was looking at the next one. And then circle and underline here. That is going to round to 3,000. Okay, so the answer is going to be 2,000. Lovely. Okay. I tell you what, while we're on it, should we work out the real answer? Why not? Okay. So here we go, we've got 5,478, take away 3,213. Okay, 8 take away 3, think about that in your heads. So if you're finding that a bit tricky, start on the 3 and count up. So 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, it's 5. Right, 7 take away 1 is going to be 6, 4 take away 2 is going to be 2, and 5 take away 3 is going to be 2. So, the real answer is 2,265. Our estimated answer is 2,000. So, as you can see, that is a little bit different. But it gives us a good idea of if our number is close-ish or not, which obviously it is. Okay, so what I want you to do now, children, is to find your activity in the folder and have a go. Good luck. See you tomorrow.